Hey guys, this is Learning with Joe, and I am Joe. Today we will be learning how to shave. Tomorrow I got a job interview, and I don't want to go there looking like this with this mustache. So if you got a mustache, I would recommend just shaving it. Here's what you'll need: a washcloth, a razor, shaving cream, aftershave, but never cologne because it stings, and lotion for your mustache, and a towel to clean things up. I've shaved a few times before, but my dad's gonna walk us through this.
Okay, Joe, grab the washcloth.
Alrighty.
Put it under hot water.
Put this under hot water.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Bring it out.
There you go.
Should put it on your face for a little bit. Gets the whiskers nice and soft. Feels good too. No, just hold it on your face.
Just hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice and warm.
Alright. So just hold it like that?
Yeah, hold it on the parts that you want to shave. Opens up the pores and helps you get a better shave.
Alright.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, grab the shaving cream. I also like shaving butter.
Alright. Grab the shaving cream. Put it on my finger.
Sure.
Alright.
Just put it on the places that you're going to shave. You're not shaving your entire face yet.
Place on my shave. Alrighty.
Gonna shave your chin too?
No, I'm not shaving my chin. Alright, there. And then try to put a little more water on it.
There, you're good.
Alrighty.
You can wipe your hands if you want. Okay, grab the razor.
I'm gonna grab this razor. Wet it down a little. Make sure it wet it down, or else it'll not feel good. Alright, so there's a little thing at the top of the razor. Most of you guys probably don't know this, but if this is for the top of your whiskers right here that you can't get with this part. So this part is for down there, and then that part's for up there. So I'm gonna do the top part first, and then we'll go lower. So just get my nose hairs.
You get the part right underneath your nose, which sometimes you can end up catching and cutting by accident.
Yeah.
Get it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, go ahead and then. So typically you just want to take your razor and go down, especially near where your mustache is at. Whiskers grow in different directions on your face, so it's best just to find the direction that works best for you. Some people like to go against the whisker, sometimes on your cheek, or certain parts of your face. If you go up or against it, you end up getting some kind of a razor burn. So you can experiment a little bit and just see what that's like.
Alrighty. I'm done with that. Yeah. I ended up cutting myself a little bit, but you guys probably won't do that because I was a little clumsy, but yeah. So basically this razor is really sharp, so don't go too hard. This is my first time using this part, so I went too hard. Ended up cutting myself, but yeah, I'll learn from that, and yeah, just don't do that. On second thought, I decided to do my chin hairs down here, so we're gonna do this whole process again. So wipe down the washcloth with hot water, well, warm water, not hot. Rinse it out a little bit, rub it on the spot, just soak it on the spot where you're gonna be washing. Just hold it there.
Again, that opens up the pores and just helps you get a closer shave.
Yeah, opens
That's why
up
a lot of
the
guys
pores.
will go into a sauna or a hot tub or wherever there's steam, where they'll shave after their shower because their pores open up.
Yeah. So I'm done with that. I'm gonna get the shaving cream out. I'm gonna put it on my finger and rub it around where I'm going to shave at. So I'm gonna shave all the way down here.
When you get older, you just put some in your hand, rub it together, kind of like lotion, and just rub it all over your face.
Yeah.
But since you're only spot shaving at this point,
Yeah, I'm not old enough to be doing that stuff. I'm a little young. I only have a little bit of whiskers. But there we go. Rub it off a little bit. And yeah, so get this, put it under the warm water for a little bit, and then check it out.
So start at the top of your lip, the top of the bottom of your lip, and just go down. Don't put your tongue out. Don't put your tongue underneath you just want to make it flat.
Yeah.
And you gotta flex your face a little bit just to make it flat.
Alright.
Nice job. Now you want to come from underneath and go up.
I don't really have any hairs down there.
You know?
No.
Okay. Why don't you just show everybody just in case?
Alright, so I come.
You kind of go up around your chin.
There we go. Alright, there we go.
Well, now that you're done, why don't you go ahead and take the washcloth. You rinsed off your razor. Take the washcloth, rinse off your face. Get your face nice and clean. If you're jumping in the shower, obviously your face will get rid of all the whiskers, but
yeah,
if you don't do that, just take your washcloth and get rid of all the extra residue whiskers.
Yep.
All right, once you're done, do you want to try the aftershave, Joe? Give it a try.
Sure, I'll give it a try.
Kick to it.
This? The aftershave?
Aftershave, no.
Alrighty.
Cologne.
Not the cologne, because that stings.
Stings
This is already gonna sting with the aftershave because I got my cut. But I'll do it anyways for you guys.
Just put it in your hands, rub it together, and slap around there.
So I'm gonna like that.
Woo.
Oh! Oh, that hurts. Hold up, I'm gonna do it a little more. Oh! Oh shoot! Oh, that hurts.
Right, you want to use any lotion or no lotion for you?
No lotion.
No lotion.
I'm not gonna use lotion. You guys can use lotion.
Well, I use facial lotion. Keeps my face gentle. All right, lastly, let's do a little bit of cleanup.
All right, clean up. All right, so make sure this is all washed out. If you have a case, put it back in the case and put it back where you found it. I got it in my drawer, but I'm not gonna put it in my drawer for the purposes of this video. Rag this out. Once you rag it out, put it on your shower. If you're doing this in your bathroom, I'm guessing that you have a shower in your bathroom. So put this on there.
Once you open up the washcloth, then it'll dry a little bit easier.
Alrighty. And then put all your stuff to the side while you clean the area that you just did your shaving in. So clean this up. You probably got stuff on the mirror, but I did not because I was very clean and I was slow. If you're doing this quickly, you'll probably get a bunch of water on your mirror. Your mom's not going to like a bunch of water on your mirror drying. So wash all that off and yeah, and then put all your stuff away. Thanks for tuning in on this episode of Learn It with Joe on how to shave. And make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on. Remember, go learn something new today, and I'm out.